Highway Code Rules for motorcyclists. Rule 88. Manoeuvring. You should be aware of what is behind and to the sides before manoeuvring. Look behind you. Use mirrors if they are fitted. When in traffic queues, look out for pedestrians crossing between vehicles and vehicles emerging from junctions or changing lanes. Position yourself so that drivers can see you in their mirrors. Additionally, when filtering in slow-moving traffic, take care and keep your speed low. Remember, observation, signal, manoeuvre. Rules for drivers and motorcyclists. These are general rules for everyone. Highway Code Rule 89. Vehicle condition. You must ensure your vehicle and trailer comply with the full requirements of the road vehicles construction and use regulations and road vehicles lighting regulations. See page 124. Highway Code Rule 90. Fitness to drive. Make sure that you are fit to drive. You must report to the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, the DVLA, any health conditions likely to affect your driving.